Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I want to share with you how do we clean our jewelry using the Cartier Cleaning Kit. If you like this type of video, please do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. So first of all, I want to share with you what is actually inside of the Cartier Cleaning Kit. This is the Cartier Cleaning Kit that you will receive for every Cartier jewelry pieces purchases, and I got a couple of them. Every time you purchase even a ring or a bracelet, they will give you something like this, or a necklaces. So I have actually a couple of those, but also sometimes they run out of it. I wouldn't be able to get it. Here is what we have here. You will have, first of all, is the lotion for jewelry and watches. This is how it looks like. It has all the clear lotions here. So it says keep out of reach of children, 100% natural ingredients and made in France. And this is 10 foot ounce, which is 30 millimeters. It says lotion for jewelry and watches. So this is for that. The second piece is there is the brush. It's very small, tiny brushes. So this is my hand, and this is how big it is. Small, tiny brushes here. You can see it's very soft here. And so the third piece is, this is brand new. As you can see, I never opened it up. This kit is a brand new kit. This is very soft here. It's kind of like your glasses cleaner. And also you will have a booklet. I actually have all different languages talking about how to taking care of, how to use this cleaning kit. Okay, let's get right into it. Okay, here I want to clean the Trinity ring here today. This is from Cartier, and also I have my love ring here. I want to clean with everybody here as well. So this is a love ring. It has small little scratches, and this is the Trinity ring. Same, Trinity ring is very comfortable to use, and it has such a unique design. It also have a Cartier logos on the rose gold side. And also I have my love bracelets taken out. I want to show you how we clean the love bracelets, because in the inside, as you can see, it will have some dirt on the side. First step is that you open the lotion and you spray those in the surfaces. So, and my ring and my inside and outside of my bracelets. Okay, and then we're using small little brushes to clean every side up, just to brush all the dirt outside. I started from the outside, and then you can also clean the inside. Okay, this is my love ring. I have to make sure that you clean up every surfaces so that can work the best. And the last is my love bracelet. It will have small bubbles, as you can see. So I brushed all of my jewelries from inside and outside. So now we are gonna let it set for 3 minutes. Just let it clean it by itself. And after this, we're gonna rinse with the warm water. Yeah, I just rinse them out using the warm water after 3 minutes. And the next, we're gonna use this really soft cloth to wipe it off all the waters and make it shiny. You can see it is very clean, but the scratches is still on. This lotion does not help with the scratches at all. But inside, if you can see, there's no scratches. That is very shiny actually. Very nice. You can see from the inside. The outside, it have too much scratches, so it's not as shiny as the inside. And also my love ring. So this is my love ring. As you can see, it's very shiny and clean. Even the inside, I don't know if you can see. It's very shiny and clean. And this is the last piece, which is the Trinity ring. Trinity ring is gonna a little bit hard because it has 3 rings all together to make sure that it's clean. Oh my god, my Trinity ring, it is shiny. So this is how it looks like so now. Okay, this is all the steps we have. That's basically how to clean with the Cartier cleaning kit. I would highly recommend that you clean it periodically. I do see that there is very strong cleaning solutions that they offer, and after cleaning, your bracelets or your ring does look shinier than before and also very clean. As you can see, those gold pieces, sometimes you put it on your hand or bracelets for a really long time and you don't really care too much about it. And once up, and sometimes it do require some maintenance to clean up all the sweating that you have or the bacteria in the air. So that's basically it is. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.